Stranded during the Croatian Blizzard of 2023, we decided to investigate an abandoned house. Well, driving in the snow and I saw this cool little abandoned house. So I'm gonna go take a look, see what's in there. Figure I'll give you guys some filler content before I upload the Pula series, and there's also a video coming from Belfast, guys. In Pula we saw some super cool stuff. Doesn't look like it's abandoned that long, maybe from the war. Looks like something from the 90s. Hey! It's a nice house though. These bed frames and these doors are probably a couple $1,000s if you tried to buy them today. Nobody broke the TV yet. Geography book for Yugoslavia. Hey! Hello! What if I get blown up? There's no wires. Alright, didn't get blown up. This cool old suitcase. This looks like the main room. Military jacket. Possibly. I'm not sure what the old Yugoslav stuff looked like. That might be it. Looks like the color. As you can see, it's the Blizzard of 2023. Oh, maybe on the other side. Basically, the whole of Croatia shut down because there was a snowstorm, so we got stranded. And I've just been driving around to see, kind of discovering stuff, taking advantage of the situation, I guess. I wonder if they were wiping their ass with this corn or just feeding it to animals.